Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Perfect Techland. I hope guys you are doing well. Today our topic how to fix internet time scan not working problem in Windows 10. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, you go on the search bar like this. Here you search open services. So when you open services, I just maximize it. This page will appear in front of you. Here you go on the Windows time. So here you select Windows time like this. As you see here, your all setting will appear here. Here you select automatic and then you start your service status. Click on start, stop, again click on start. As you see here, net over changes reply here. Then okay. Then you come back again on your display. After doing that, your issue will be resolved, and if your issue is not resolved and they were still there, so there was one more solution for you. Here you search command prompt. Open command prompt. Here you type W32 times, then press enter. Here you again type W32TM, then give space, then slash, then you type answer, then press enter again. Here you type again W32, then give space, slash, and so after doing that, your time scan problem will be solved automatically. So hopefully guys, this video will be helpful for you. So if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Perfect Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye.